Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a transformational makeup look. It's my first attempt in doing withered old age makeup look. Well, it's an ultimate destiny of every living being. So in the first half, I'm doing regular makeup look to retain the youthful and pretty look with the range of products from one of my favorite brands, Farsali MAC Makeup Studio. And for eyeshadows, I'm using Tarte Palette and Makeup Revolution palette. Now to set the tone of eye makeup, I have used coral browns with hint of pink and dash of shimmer in the middle. So I needed a strong base and good coverage. For that I have chosen NARS foundation and I'm dabbing it all over using a beauty blender. So I'm making sure that it's blended and applied evenly all over, and to set the foundation I'm using a loose powder from Makeup Studio, which is yellow in tint, and it gives that lovely warm tone to my skin. So let's move on to the interesting genre, creating 3D effect with makeup to achieve old age look. Okay, to start this off, you need to follow the possibility of line and wrinkles by trying some expression like smiling, laughing, grinning, frowning, and even crying. So in this way you can figure out where to start and draw the line, and you can also take a reference of your grandmother or grandfather's picture. I'm using a dark brown gel liner to draw the lines and wrinkles in foreheads, around the eyes, eyelids, nose and lip area. I'm using a round shaped brush to smudge the areas, that is areas along the line, to create shadows and add dimension to it. Next step is to use light and dark concealer to highlight and contour the areas and to build up the 3D effect around the drawn lines. After I'm satisfied with the outcome, I'm powdering the face to set the concealer and use brown, orange and some dark brown eyeshadows from Kryolan to shade and structure the lines. So now it becomes easier for me to use matte eyeshadows to draw around the lines and shade it all over. Now I'm finishing up by touching up some areas where I feel it's necessary to give the depth and add more dimension. Okay, so well, it's done now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this transformational makeup. Looks a bit creepy and yeah, kind of fun to me. Please do like and subscribe my channel if you want to see more transformational makeup and more on hair, beauty and pretty makeovers.